everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to scan QR code on Roblox. So first thing you have to do is open the application and just log in if needed. And then once you're in the application, just have to tap on the profile. So just tap on that. And then here, as you can see, beside the edit profile, you can see a QR code icon. So you just have to tap on that. Alright, so in this section, you can see that you can share your profile link. So when you share it, you can share it to your PC and open the QR code on your PC. And then once you have shared your profile link, you can then tap on this icon right here at the top right corner. So once you tap on that, you can then scan a QR code. So let's say, for example, this QR code. Let's just wait for a moment for it to load. And then, alright, so this was the QR code that we've scanned. So you can add that friend or this user if you want. And that's it. That's how you scan a QR code on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!